View Suites is a modern and stylish development within the vicinity of Nairobi CBD, located along Musindi Road behind Equity Bank Park Road, Ngara, and is only 5 minutes walk to town. The development has been designed to consist of 4 different suites, 2 of each on every floor, and will extend up to the 12th floor, with ground floor and 2 levels of basement being the parking. Actual construction of the project has already begun and is expected to be completed by June 2020. Our apartments range from 1.8 million to 5.1 million, and you get to enjoy a 5% cash discount. Now let's see what could potentially be your new home. For more information, you can contact 0721 202 201. City View Suites. Invest today and enjoy amazing returns and capital appreciation.